There are two main parts to a typical assignment: the instructions and the response document that students work on and submit to the teachers. In this clip, we create a test response document, add it to an assignment, and assign it to students. When creating response documents that are tests, you can use text notes, fill in the blanks, and bubble notes. But for the Kurzweil 3000 Web License Assignment Service, to score a test document, it must have either bubble note true or false or multiple choice questions. You must also answer all the questions so that the system can capture and score against the correct answers. Lastly, the document must be published for it to be part of an assignment. Let's begin. We have a document open in which we want to embed scorable quiz questions. Click where you want the bubble note to be. Go to Tools, Note, Add Bubble Note, and we'll choose multiple choice, match first, and we'll do 2 questions and type the instructions in. On the left-hand side, we'll place the words. On the right-hand side, the meanings. Now, we're going to click Preview and answer the question.
Match the words to their meanings. Springy. Batteries. Group of artillery. To be lively.
You do that by dragging the line for the word to its meaning. We'll click OK. Let's do another question. Go to Tools, Note, Bubble Note. This time we are going to do a true or false. Type the question in. Preview to put the answers in.
The narrator is a horse. True. False.
Okay. Now you have the document that's ready to be published. Go to File, Publish. And because there are questions that have answers in this document, Kurzweil 3000 asks you to review them. We'll just fast track through them. Say OK. You might want to add a description for this document. You may also want to add some tags so that later on people can find this document easily. This saves it to the Universal Library under the Published folder. The teacher we're using is Catherine Mack, so we'll open her folder there, and we'll add this. So now we're all set. We can close out of this document and we'll start the assignment. Since this is a new assignment, we'll click New in the assignment dialog. Give it a title and a description. You can, again, add tags. In the response type, you want to specify what kind of document we're adding. You can have no response, where the student doesn't have to respond and submit any document. You can have an answers document, which is what we have, or you can have a new document, which is a blank document that students can write an essay in or a written response. So we'll choose answers. We'll add the document. Remember that it's in the published folder under Catherine Mack. There it is. We'll add that. Now we're ready to assign it to students. Click Add Student. You can decide which class you want. 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade is what we have here. We'll assign it to everyone, or you could actually assign it to just a few. Now you can specify the assignment, begin date, which is today, and assignment due date. Click Add. OK in the new assignment dialog. And Done in your assignment list. And that's all there is to creating a document that can be scored and publishing it, and then creating an assignment and assigning it to students.